Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet these beautiful motifs. This is one, and you do every single one and as you go. They're super easy to do, and the repetition is 2 rounds. I hope you guys like it and give it a try, and here is the list of material you're going to need to make it. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel that you'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. To do these crochet motifs, this is the yarn I'm going to use. Is Caron Simple Soft, 170.1 grams, 288 meters, 100% acrylic, medium 4, and the color is Pagoda. The crochet hook is this 4mm. You're gonna need tapestry needle and scissors. These are the motifs that we're gonna do, and I've been stretching it like this because these ones in here tend to stay a little bit close, but once you do that, you can see the flower that creates in the center when you put them together. It's absolutely gorgeous. I already made this sample with a different yarn, and in this one it stay more open in the center, you see, it's like a flower. And what I use for this one is this yarn, the mandala tweed stripe. I will leave this for a different project, and I'm gonna use this that is just a one color. It's easier for you guys to see, but it's absolutely gorgeous. With this you can make a scarf, you can make poncho, you can make a cardigan, a blouse, a bedspread, because it's absolutely gorgeous and it's very easy to do. First you make one of these square and then you start attaching. I'm gonna do another piece like this one for the project that I want to do, so I want to do 2 exactly the same. So it depends what you want to do, is how many you're gonna make. So we're gonna start with one of these square, then you have to do the whole thing, and then the other one attach that one, like I mentioned. We're gonna start with a slip knot, and we're gonna chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're gonna go to the first chain and you're gonna do slip stitch. Now you're gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna do a yarn over and you're gonna do an elongated double crochet. So you have your 3 loops, so you pass through 1 and then through 2 and 2, and that's what you're gonna do. Yarn over, pass it through 1, 2, and 2, and like that you're gonna do 24 stitches. So I have 4 because the chain 4 counts as the first one, and I have 4 in here in total. So I'm gonna continue doing this until I have my 24 stitches. So you pass through 1, 2, and 2. So you're gonna pass it through 1 loop and then 2 and 2, and you're gonna hear Luna in the background howling. She's missing William. He went to school. So you're gonna pass it through 1, 2, and 2. Yarn over, 1, 2, and 2, and like that you're gonna create 24 stitches. Una vez que terminen con un punto deslizado en la cuarta cadena, van a subir nuevamente con 4 cadenas. 1, 2, 3 y 4. Y vamos a hacer la segunda y última vuelta que se hace para crear el cuadrado. Aquí tienen un círculo, ahora lo hacen un cuadrado. Van a hacer una lazada en el próximo punto que les sigue. Ahí van a hacer otra vez un punto alto alargado. Y en el próximo van a hacer otro. Ahora van a hacer una cadena y van a hacer 3 puntos altos alargados en los 3 próximos espacios. Eso es 1, 2 y 3. Ahora van a hacer una cadena de 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. Van a hacer una lazada y van al próximo punto que les sigue sin dejar ningún espacio. Y nuevamente van a hacer esa repetición que hicieron aquí en estos 6 puntos. Y así lo van a hacer hasta tener 1, 2, 3 y 4 espacios. Que si lo cuenta aquí tienen 6 y 6, 12 y 2 y 12 los 24 puntos. Pero en uno con una cadena separada y la otra con 10 cadenas. Así va a ser su primer motivo. Once you finish the first one, you're going to work on the second one, and when you are working in the second round, I will meet you here to show you how you're going to attach 2 motifs together. So I'm ready to put these 2 together. I already did 3 stitches, chain 1, 3 stitches. Now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to pass my hook through this chain 10. I'm going to pass it to the top. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I yarn over, and then I'm going to do my 3 stitches. That's 1. That's 2. And 3. Now I don't gonna chain 1. I'm gonna leave my loop like that, and I'm gonna come here to the chain 1 space, and I'm gonna pass that loop through to the top, and I'm gonna chain 1 on the top, and I'm gonna do my 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to go to the loop of the chain 10 chains sorry, and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now I will continue with the rest of the motif. My tongue get a little twisted. So it will look like this when you put these 2 motifs together. You attach them at the space of the 10 chains and the chain 1 space, and again in there like that. And then now you're going to continue doing your 3 stitches, chain 1, 3 stitches, chain 10, the 3 stitches, chain 1, 3 stitches, chain 10, slip stitch, and you finish two together. And then you continue attaching the rest, depend on the project that you're gonna do. For the project you're gonna do, I only need 4 in the lower part. So I'm gonna finish that one. I'm gonna do my 4 stitches, and then I will show you how you're gonna attach the next ones. That way you create this flower in the center. It's a little bit twisted there. So I will continue with this, and when it's time to show you the next row, I will meet you here. So depending on the project that you're doing is the amount of stitches that you're going to do for the width. I think if you're going to do a scarf with 4 like this, it's perfect. If you just see, have a nice width. I have this one done, this one ready to go. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to come here, and that space exactly the same. I'm going to pass the loop under and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and over. I'm gonna do my 3 stitches, and 3. I'm gonna leave the loop, come between these two and the chain space, exactly the same. Pass it through, chain 1, and you're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you see, and here where you have these 2 stitched together, you see they overlap, so you go in between them. You create a, you see, they're twisted, so you go in between, and you're gonna pass your loop through there, and you're gonna chain 5. And through the same space, when you do the next one, you're gonna pass your stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain over, and I'm gonna continue working on this one, and I will show you how to attach the next one. The next one you have to attach to this one and to this motif. So finish this one. When I'm ready to work with the next one, and I'll meet you here, and I will look like this. I'm ready to go. I chain 5. I'm gonna start from the first space of chain 10. So I did 5. I'm gonna pass it through this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And over your 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then in the chain 1 space, you're gonna pass it through. You're gonna chain 1, and you're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 stitches. Now you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in the same space where you pass this one, you see it's now much easier to pass it through. You're going to pass this loop and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're going to do your 3 stitches. And then after you finish your 3 stitches, you will come here and you pass it through the chain 1 space, chain 1, do your 3 stitches, chain 5, pass it in between these 2, overlapping like this, you know, crossing them, and then you will finish this one, and the same way you're going to attach the rest of your motifs. Well, this is the one I just finished. I absolutely love these motifs. I love the flower that they do there in the center when you put 4 together. And this is the other one. You see, when you continue working with this, it will be like, well, you don't see the flower there because they're separate, but you will get a flower as well in there. and you will continue if you want to do a scarf. That will look amazing. Or whatever you choose to do with them. I'm gonna do a project with them, but I don't know exactly yet how I'm gonna do it, what I'm gonna do. But when I'm ready to work with them, I will record that tutorial. I'm gonna stop here. I hope you guys like it and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. If you make these beautiful motifs or something with them and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.